hi. Turkish words, give them a try. Aşk means love, güneş the sun. Learning Turkish can be fun. 1, 2, 3, let's count again. 4, 5, 6, it's not the end. Every word's a door, aç it wide. With Turkish take a magic ride. Sen ve ben, you and me, dünya güzel. Dil öğrenmek çok kolay. Join the fun, haydi haydi. Tamam means okay, çok güzel, great. Biraz sabır, some patience, it's never late. Arkadaş, friend, hayat, life. Learn with music, make it bright. Güzel günler, ahead to see. Every step's a melody. Turkish flows like a gentle stream. Speak your heart, follow the dream. Sen ve ben, you and me, dünya güzel. Dil öğrenmek çok kolay. Join the fun, haydi haydi. Haydi haydi, let's start now. Zaman will teach you how. Türkçe öğren, don't be shy. Together we can reach the sky. Sen ve ben, you and me, dünya güzel. Dil öğrenmek çok kolay. Join the fun, haydi haydi. Haydi haydi, let's start now. Zaman will teach you how. Türkçe öğren, don't be shy. Together we can reach the sky. Sen ve ben, you and me, dünya güzel. The world's pretty. Dil öğrenmek çok kolay. Join the fun, haydi haydi.